So what even is athleisure? It's actually two words combined, athlete and isure, as in I sure hope I look good. But after this video, you won't have to worry about that because you're going to know for sure why you should be buying athleisure. On the real, athleisure is a combination of athletic and leisure, leaving you with the most stylish excuse for being lazy and comfy. It's one of the most popular styles nowadays, and you might even be doing it now, you just never knew what it was called. I'm going to break it down into three things, and they're going to be comfort, heat, and accessibility. So yeah, let's get started. So starting off with comfort, athleisure is really the biggest excuse to stay comfortable. We live in a world now where wearing what you wore out is comfortable enough to sleep in, and you should definitely be taking advantage of that. Now, instead of people thinking that you're lazy and just go around not doing anything with your life, you can definitely just look like you know what's up in streetwear. But in reality, they're actually right. You're not actually doing much. But you know, that's fine. I'm not here to judge you. I'm actually here with you. Anyways, personally, I prioritize comfort first when putting together an outfit because there's no point in looking good when you feel like crap. That's just me. But I take a hoodie and a pair of sneakers over a shirt and boots any day. Sweats and sneakers go together like respect and women. You know, individually great, but they're better together, and both also get you girls. It's up to you if you want to hate yourself because of clothes, you know, but I prefer to be in control of my life for the most part. So athleisure is a really good way to keep that balance. It's that comfort to clout ratio. The comfort to clout ratio on athleisure is insane compared to other things in life. There are times where you just have to be uncomfortable for things that pop up, you know, like a job interview, or, you know, when you wake up with calf cramps at night. Oh god. Or like, you know, when the doctor like cups your balls and then they tell you to cough, and then if your balls don't go, you know, I always thought that was kind of weird. But, you know, for things like fashion, you don't have to make it so hard on yourself. Athleisure just makes it easier to stay comfortable and stylish. There are way more things that you could be hating on in life, and discomfort should not be one of them. Next up, we got heat, and there's a reason all the hottest shoes have been sneakers lately. Like, there's no way I'm gonna be wearing some off-white Chelsea boots. Nobody has ever said, yo, did you see those new Supreme dress shoes that just came out? Those are so fire, bro. I hate myself. That's an imaginary sentence. A lot of these hype collabs are very athleisure based because of the convenience of comfort and the athletic aesthetic. Bars. Nowadays, outside of the hype, there are plenty of great designs that are available to choose from. Things like the Element 55, the Air Max 270, the Element 87, the 420-69, the Air Force One. On top of shoes, you got so many different selections of track pants and tops to choose from now. Not saying you should only be buying pieces because of the hype, but a lot of the stuff being released nowadays inadvertently fit the athleisure look, and that keeps it from becoming stale. Personally, I'm a really big fan of Tech Fleece too, but, you know, but this leads me to the last part, which is accessibility. You can get pieces that look just as hot as their expensive girlfriends from many different spots. It's not like you have to run a certain mile time or bench a certain weight to wear these things. We don't live in a RuneScape world where you need stats to equip stuff. It's definitely fine. It's probably just money that's stopping you. But, you know, honestly. Anyways, there are many other smaller brands that sell stuff just as cool as the bigger companies for way less. Even places like Uniqlo and Topman have pretty cool stuff to experiment with now. I'm not even gonna lie. Athleisure just makes it very convenient to be stylish, and it's also easy to rotate around your wardrobe. Chances are if you buy a pair of track pants, it's gonna go with whatever hoodie you pair it with. This also works with shoes as well. A plain pair of black track pants will make any shoe look good. Mixing brands is controversial, but, you know, just play by ear on that. Obviously, don't pair a fat Adidas Leaf with some Jordans. You know, Kanye might get mad at you or something. But if the branding is minimal, I don't see the problem. You know, I'm definitely all for interracial relationships. Okay, so thank you for watching the video, guys, and hopefully this helped you with athleisure. Follow my Instagram at ChristianVY and tweet at me at ChristianVYYT. Email me at frugalaesthetic@gmail.com for anything. And yeah, guys, stay cherry, respect women. Most importantly, respect women, stay cherry, and respect women.